Alright you guys, so this was going to be a total different kind of video. I had major technical difficulties with the first two videos that I recorded. I was actually in front face of the camera showing you guys these products that I got from Too Faced. However, in middle of recording for the second time, my camera kicked the bucket, not died forever. The battery just died. So I'm just like, let me go ahead and record this up close and personal from my iPhone one last time and show you guys up front what I'm working with so I can just get this video out because I have a major set of hauls coming tomorrow. And I'm going to be on full front face of the camera. So stay tuned to see the lovely Too Faced Life's a Festival palette and swatches. But right now we're going to get on into the new Too Faced Clover collection. So stay tuned.
I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. When we call up on no and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull
I really regret doing this without being full face on the camera. But I just wanted to get this out so you guys could see everything kind of up close and personal. So here we go. This is the Clover, like a makeup bag. It did come with a dust bag, and I was really surprised that it was a dust bag. It's actually the kind of bag that you get when you purchase a high-end bag. So I was like, what? It does have the plastic on the Too Faced little heart here that I need to pull off. So that's why it looks kind of distorted. I haven't pulled it off yet. Once you open up this lovely little bag, you get two additional thingamajiggies here. One is a plastic Clover, the Too Faced, and then it is a pink pom-pom still wrapped in the plastic. I did not take it out because, I don't know, I'm petty. But it does go back inside of here, and then you can definitely zip this back up. And this is perfect for if you carry a big bag or not, or your toiletries if you travel. Yeah, so I'm totally excited. Next up is the matching Clover palette. It is new. The Clover palette is basically based upon the owner or the founder of Too Faced, his little chihuahua, and I guess some of he and his partner's pets. You do get, let's see, you get 18 colors, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. Now, the reason behind this particular Clover collection, it says, whoever said diamonds are a girl's best friend never met Clover. Too Faced co-founders Jared and Jeremy's adorable fur baby, inspired by our mini chihuahua and mascot. This limited edition eyeshadow collection features 18 brand new matte and shimmer shades and exclusive Clover packaging. It's puppy love at first sight. It certainly is. So, I am going to definitely open this up and get to swatching. I'm actually going to have my daughter swatch on me, and then I can swatch on her. We have two different complexions, so I definitely want you guys to see what the difference would be. It does have the mirror. Yep, I'm filming with my iPhone, and you see the little Clover dog here, and then you see the little unicorn there. Here are the colors, and yes, I've already been into them like I stated before. Your girls already filmed this 2 times, so this is the 3rd time filming this lovely video. So I'm going to have my daughter actually do the swatches on my arm. Okay. The first row here is I Rough You, and then it is Paw Prints, and then rut row is this one, Love is Love, Wet Kisses, and then Woof. So what I want you to do, Missy, is just dip one finger. You can't mix your colors.
So I'm gonna do this one.
She's gonna do the first one here, which is again so remember, 1 finger per color. So, and start on my hand.
All right,
there we go. So that color, go ahead and do it again. Yeah, that color is pretty light on me. It does show up.
It's like a white.
You can see the sparkles in it. I think it'll be definitely a highlighting part of my eye look. Go ahead and use a second finger.
This green one.
The green one here.
It is
Again, it is called. Okay, so the first one is actually called
on the top.
Puppy Eyes.
Yeah.
And then the, I didn't see that.
Paw print.
And then we have Lucky Clover, which is green.
Mhm.
And it's like, okay.
This green right there.
Yep. And that is like a light green. It's definitely workable.
Yeah, they still work.
It's cute. All right, and the next one is
This beige
called
color.
Chihuahua. Make sure you use a different finger.
Chihuahua is my second favorite dog.
And that was a matte color. And then we're gonna go Fur Baby.
Fur Baby,
Fur Baby is
this one.
Fur Baby is this one, which is another matte color.
These two are like the same, but that one's different.
Yeah, they're different.
See?
You could do one more swipe in that one.
Okay.
Just so we can show them. It does.
Two different complexions.
Yeah. The next one is Save
black
Them
one.
All.
It's this one.
This is like a deep chocolate, as you can see, with like a gold, with gold in it. So
Chocolate.
Yeah, different finger.
Gonna use this hand, guys.
Yes. You want to do it one more time?
Yeah. There we go.
Okay. So this is the first row. We got one more left for the first row. Different finger.
It's
and
a
this one's
blue.
called Spoil above the white one here.
Of there?
Yeah. Go ahead and redo it above the white one.
The blue one?
Yep.
Alright.
It's called Spoil. You can see the color and do one more swipe. Now there is a mystery color in this palette. I call it a mystery color. There we go. Because what you see on the palette is not what you get when you swipe it. So this is the first row.
This row?
It is going to be I Rough You. Raw prints or paw prints. Rut Row, Love's Love, Wet Kisses, and then Woof.
Okay.
And then woof.
So, this one?
Yep. So we're gonna go up above the tattoo.
I wipe my hands off right there, guys. Above, because I don't want it to be
Do it twice.
These colors are like light and there's some
Yeah,
dark.
this is definitely another like a bra bone underneath the eyebrow. I would say these three here are the lightest in here, and they definitely don't show up on me very well. So I could definitely use them like in the crease. Very easy. Go ahead and let's do a paw print, but it is sparkly, as you can see.
It's this pink one, guys, by the way.
Yeah, paw print. That is a matte color.
Which, wait, this one. Okay.
Go ahead and go above that one. And you can see that it's a matte. Do it again. Sorry for the furry arms. We are Sicilian, so it's just furry. So it's like a really light rose color, I would say.
Hairy arms.
Alright, so I'm going to switch arms.
The next one.
And the next one is called Rut Row. And then I have previous swatches from the other two videos earlier. So go ahead and do Rut Row.
I wiped my hand off, so I'm doing this one. This finger again. So,
Right there. Okay, so that one is pretty. Okay, and then we have Love is Love, which is this like pink one. Is Love. Do it one more time. Now we're getting into a more lovely, darker, sweet. And then Wet Kisses, like I would say like a peachish orange color. Bam! And let's just do it one more time. And that's the swipe. Pigmented. The last one is Woof, and that one is like black with a little bit of gold.
black with a little bit blue.
You gotta make sure you don't reuse that finger at all, because that'll be all in everything. Okay.
See, black with blue sparkles. A little bit more because that one didn't really show.
It's pigmented. Definitely pigmented. The last row here would be Cuteness Overload. And then we have Best Friends, Cuddle Buddy, Daddy Loves Me, Too Faced Mascot, and that bright, bright yellow is called a Good Boy. And there is a mystery color in this row here. And make sure you use a cleanie.
This one?
Not the black one. Whatever you do.
My pink one. My pinky. Okay.
And that one is
Almost white. There we go.
pretty.
It's kind of like a little goldish.
And then the next one is what I call a mystery. You can see that it was one weird looking color, but it changes colors. But look when she puts it on my arm, what color it actually turns out to be. Yep. Isn't that wild, you guys?
Wild.
It's a mystery color. It comes in a different color.
It kind of looks like a blue and a black.
Yeah. And then we have Cuddle Buddy. Go ahead and do it on my hand.
There we go. I'm going to do it right there, guys.
Cuddle Buddy.
Cuddle,
And then do Daddy Loves Me, which is the pink one right next to it.
Daddy loves
right
me.
here.
I love pink, by the way, guys. Right here.
Like Too Faced Mascot, which is that lovely purple color. Go ahead and put it next to the brown.
This one.
Uh-huh.
Next to that pretty brown.
Do it one more time.
Okay.
So, yeah. And last but not least is, goodness gracious, this bright, bright yellow. And that one is called Good Boy. And it does have some sparkles in it. So.
Good boy. What a good boy.
Whoa, do it one more time. Yo.
What
So it is very pigmented. Here is some of the palette. As you can see, some of them are really light. Some of them are really dark. But the colors are awesome. Awesome, awesome. The other side, these are very light on me. Definitely buildable, so I'm not complaining. So what I'm going to do now is, my daughter and I are two different skin complexions. And I wanted to show you what the colors would look like on another skin complexion other than my own. So I'm going to go right with the top here with puppy eyes. And I'm sure, look at that glisten.
Some of the light colors on here doesn't really show up on my skin either.
It's pretty. Move your arm like back and forth. There you go, like that.
Shiny.
The next one, the green Lucky Clover.
Yep, Lucky Clover.
Lucky Clover. And then we're going to do it twice. And then the next one is Chihuahua.
What's this one?
And this is Chihuahua. Light as well. Fur Baby.
Fur Baby.
Fur Baby. We're going to do on her hand here. It's like a chocolate. A light chocolate. I think they're pretty. I could definitely work with them. And
the next one is hashtag
save them all. And that's, let me come up some more. The last one in the row is like the blue one here, which is called Spoiled.
Spoiled. Doesn't really look too spoiled.
And it's pretty. It has a tint of green. The tint of green. The next row I'm going to be using is I Rough You.
Ooh. It's supposed to be I Love You.
But it's I Rough You. This is like a soft pink.
I like pink.
And then we have Paw Print.
Paw.
Which is a matte color. You can put that right next to it.
Rara.
Real soft. And then we have a Ruh-Roh. We'll just go up our arm here.
It's right there.
Ready? This is it. This is it right here. I'll do it again.
Ooh, that's cute.
And then this pink color here is Love is Love.
Love is love. That's true.
Pink. And I'll do
Body
it again.
for the Harry-Ons.
It's pink. And then we have Wet Kisses.
Wet Kisses.
Which is so pretty. like a peach. I would say this is a peach copper color.
Wolf. Next one.
And the last one is Woof. Let's see.
And it has a little bit of
It's
tack
definitely
on
black, and you can see the sparkles in it, like the different color
Blue.
sparkles. Yeah.
these sparkles.
And the last row here, which we've been digging in it, is a cuteness overload.
Cuteness overload.
Let me see your other arm. So this one is a cuteness overload. I'll do it again. This is like a soft pink. With lots of glitter. Then we have Best Friends.
That's the mystery.
This is the mystery. And it comes out so pretty on her skin. I have a matte color, which is Cuddle Buddy for her.
That's like
So
a brown.
pretty. You could definitely work with all three of those together. And then Daddy Loves Me, which is the pink going on here.
The heart stands for love.
And then we have the lovely purple color. Let's see.
It's
That color, I'll do it again because she kind of moved. And then last but not least is this bright yellow. And your girl needs to use her pinky for this one. Woo! Let's go up the arm here. It's not as bright on you. It definitely
it's bright on my mom, but
bright
not
on me. So we can now give this palette a rest. I apologize, I'm not full front face on this video. Technical difficulties, you know how those work. I do want to go ahead and show you swatch of the Melted Clover Melted Matte color. And I love this color. It's on my hand. Look how cute that little wand is. And then it has a little clover at the bottom. And I'm loving this color. It does have the normal doe foot on it.
It's a lip gloss.
And it's a melted matte.
That's cool.
That's on her hand. On, like, right here. Swipe like I did. Okay, that's enough. And that is on me. Up close and personal video and swatching of this new collection. You can get it from TooFaced.com. I have not seen this bag anywhere else but Too Faced. I'm not really sure if any like Sephora or Ulta sells this collection. I haven't really checked. I just know this came from actual Too Faced. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, in the description box there is a giveaway going on, as well as another giveaway going on that 4 people can win one giveaway. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. As always, guys, stay blessed, stay warm, enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, and stay tuned for this palette swatching is coming up next.
I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star.